Did you know that Turkey is one of the most crypto-friendliest countries in the world? If you're trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other cryptocurrency there, it is a pleasant surprise. Let me break it down for you. It's easy. Unlike many countries, Turkey has taken a groundbreaking move by completely exempting cryptocurrency profits from taxation. That means no capital gain tax, no income tax, zero. If you buy and sell crypto, all your profits are yours to keep. Turkey keeps it simple, at least for the moment. And that's rare in the crypto world. And if you're comparing Turkey to other countries, the difference is night and day. In most nations, governments are quick to tax every penny you earn in crypto. Turkey's tax-free policy gives investors and traders a massive edge. Now, while Turkey's tax-free stance on crypto is fantastic, there are still a couple of things you should keep in mind to stay on top of your game. Keep a clear record of your transactions. Even though you are not paying tax, it's smart to maintain record of your trades, profits, and holdings. Why? If regulations ever change in the future, having this data could save you a lot of headache. Plus, it's always good practice to know exactly where you stand financially. Stay updated on the rules. Crypto regulations can shift even in friendly jurisdictions like Turkey. While today's rules exempt all crypto profits, tomorrow might bring in new policies. Follow reliable sources and keep yourself informed to ensure you don't get caught off guard. Banking and cashing out. If you plan to cash out large amounts of crypto in Turkish lira or send funds internationally, banks might require to provide some documentation on the source of the funds. Keeping a clear transaction record can make this process smooth and absolutely stress-free. So even if the tax-free paradise like Turkey, being organized and proactive is the key to enjoy the benefits without any surprises down the line. So whenever you're already trading or thinking about getting into crypto, Turkey is truly heaven for crypto enthusiasts. Take advantage of the incredible tax-free environment, but remember, stay responsible and informed. Thanks for watching, and if you love crypto content like this, hit the subscribe button down below and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.